Hey, hello, how are you? I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I will be sharing 5 simple tips to help you improve your English fast. If you are a beginner, these tips will guide you step by step toward better English. Let's dive in. First tip is to build your vocabulary. Start by learning the most common words and phrases you will use every day. Don't try to learn too many at once. Just focus on a few new words each day. You can write them down in a notebook and review them regularly. Tip number 2, practice listening. To improve your listening skills, listen to podcasts or watch movies or TV shows or videos in English every day is going to help you a lot actually. Don't worry at all if you don't understand everything at first. Just try to get the main idea. It's very important actually for you just to get the main idea at first. But you have to do listening. Listening is going to help you a lot actually. So do a lot of practice listening. Number 3, speak English every day. Even if you are just starting, speaking helps you remember words better and builds your confidence. Try to find a language partner or even talk to yourself in English. Always try to find a group or a friend or anyone just want to learn the same language that you want to learn, because that is going to help you a lot actually when you start practicing speaking actually. Just talk. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about anything else. Tip number 4, use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to remember vocabulary. You can write the word on one side and the meaning or an image on the other side. There are also apps like Anki or Quizlet that can help you create digital flashcards. That is going to help you a lot actually. For example, you can make flashcards with the word apple and an image of an apple on the other side. This helps you connect the word with its meaning. Tip number 5, the last tip is to stay consistent. Learning English is like building a muscle. The more you practice, the better you will get. Set aside time every day to study, even if it is just for 15 minutes. You can create a daily schedule where you spend a few minutes practicing listening, speaking, and learning new words. That is going to help you a lot actually.